Greetings once again from Erstavik Nature Reserve on this beautiful 10th of August Sunday. Here is my Scott that got me here, 17 kilometers, 40 minutes exactly, on quite a faster ride than usual. And I am now on a completely new spot here in Erstavik, but basically it's quite a long stretch of cliffs that you can enjoy for yourself out on the Baltic Sea. And it's vision number 86 on my Sweden beach adventures, and I am in my happy place once again here in Erstavik, and the beach adventures continue. Now the sun is up, but some clouds are on the horizon, but yeah, it's always like that. This morning when I woke up and had breakfast and coffee, it was super sunny, but as long as I get out of the apartment and then cycle, and then it starts to get cloudy during midday. It's very strange behavior here in the Nordics, but yeah, at least we have some sun, and I am ready to go in for a swim here in Erstavik, my happy place. So let's get ready to explore and swim here in Erstavik. So let's get going for a swim here in Erstavik. I really hope it is warmer than it was last time here when I was on Erstavik's Badet. Actually, I have passed by there now, but there were some people and I thought it's gonna be a lot more people later in the day over there, so I decided just to be alone here instead of with a lot more other people on the beach. As you know, I usually want to be all alone on the beach like this one. And yeah, the water looks so nice, but a bit chilly when I enter my legs now in the water. It's chilly, yes. And my thermometer has tucked into one of the plants here at the entrance, but otherwise the water looks so clean and nice. And the moment of truth, 19 degrees Celsius, so same as 3 or 4 days ago when I was here down at Erstavik's Badet. So let's then embrace and go further in for a dip to make this beach adventure reality. And even though it's 19 degrees, I think still I'm going to swim for 30 minutes because yeah, I really want to swim in the sea, even though it's a bit colder, but it's still so nice and refreshing indeed. Okay, so are we ready for a swim here at Erstavik Nature Reserve in Nacka? Because I am, despite having to go along some stones here first, I think still it is worth it. So ready, set, and go! Whew. That's amazing. A beautiful beach spot for today, this is. And I don't know, but it doesn't feel that cold actually. It's 19. But to be fair, 2 days ago I was swimming in Nacka, that's closer to the city, and it was 18 degrees in the sea. So here it's slightly warmer. And I did swim also in Erstavik 30 minutes, but my feet and my hands froze back then. So yes, that is then a wrap for this adventure from Erstavik. It's gonna be yet another beautiful day out on the sea this sunny Sunday, 10th of August. It is only 11:30 right now, but I'm gonna see how the clouds are going to develop to decide if I'm gonna stay here longer or not. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from the beautiful Erstavik Nature Reserve, and see you soon again. Another adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.